everyone, Jan is here, and after a quite long break I am finally back to my usual trading, and hopefully guys I will be able to make a little bit more videos for you and share with you my trading ideas, which I already started this week. And in this video guys, I just want to give you a little bit of updates and show you what I do, how to use my signals, which I call more like sharing the trades, okay? Because if you decide to follow, of course, anything I show you and I do, it's all up to you, and you have to calculate all the risks and use your money management, okay guys? So it's all on your own. All the risks are you taken by yourself, and you need to, of course, it's a risk warning, is the usual thing. You need to ask financial advice from the professionals, because everything I do is all at my own risk, okay? So you know guys, this year I was a little bit busy with my beauty pageant, if you were not following my channel, and you know, I wanted to do it for quite a while when I was much younger, but I saw an opportunity this time, and I thought, you know, after 2 years of pandemic and COVID, so I wanted to have a little bit of time for myself. But during this time, of course, I was still continue trading, but not a lot, only a few trades, and so I didn't have much time to do any videos and share, because I was so tired. It was actually very tiring and time consuming. So instead of having a lot of rest, I had a bit of a stress. And of course I had a little bit of family issues. So hopefully this time I will be not interrupted and continue to share with you guys all my trading ideas. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how I use, if you follow me for quite a while guys, I'm using exactly the same strategy, pretty much breakout. I'm using the patterns, and it's a semi-automatic trading where I'm looking for the entry points myself, and then I place the EA, which takes over the trades, okay? So it's not fully auto. And if you want to follow, again, up to your risk, on your own risk, you want to follow my signals, my techniques and trades, you can join my free Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. It's Jana FX, okay? And you find the link in the description under this video. So pretty much nothing has changed since my last video, except the market, of course, behave a little bit very volatile, I would say, and you need to follow quite a lot of news. So yes, we do have a lot of things going on right now. So yes, and now guys, I just want to show you quickly the results. So I've already been posting the sharing my trade ideas this week, and I'll show you the results of it. Obviously you can see the screenshots in the Telegram channel also. And so here's the same account I have been trading for quite a while guys, and I wanted to show you just for this year, so you would know that's it's been. So I'm going to do the custom period, and we do have well, let's do last 6 months, and then we're going to change it to well, let's say 1st of January and up to date, okay? So, and as you can see, that's the results for this year. So yes, not many trades, but still quite good. It's a reasonable size of the account now guys, and so of course I'm using a bigger lot, which I'm saying you have to use money management when you are doing on your accounts, okay? So I always recommend to use the lowest lot size, okay? So as you can see guys, I have been trading different pairs, but lately I was concentrating on gold, and pretty much like this week was mostly also gold screenshots I was sending in ideas, but we will see. Next week I'm thinking to use the other pairs too, okay? So of course I'm still trading through the news, which was like this week we had non-farm payroll. It was roller coaster, of course, where you can see like quite a bit of the losses I had, and the lot size went up a little bit. So but my usual lot size start is 0.2, and just want to show you the this week, so you would see it, which is last month. It's only like 1 week, and that's the result. As you see, I have already this week, and that's exactly what I was sending you right from the beginning of this week. And so pretty much that's the result you could have, okay? But on a big size account with 0.2 lot size starting point. So I want to show you guys also a smaller account, just to see that yes, I'm trading on smaller one. and you see that's the also result. Okay, I think this is just for, yeah, also this for this week. Okay, so that's the result for this week. Just want to show you also that that's the small account, and the starting lot size on this one is only 0.02. And I was using here, as you can see, this year it's only I made about 680 something dollars on this one, because it was very few trades. Like you see, I have March and no April, May at all, and I have June again. I have been trading this one with different strategies. I wanted to use this one for more like fully automatic, and using one of the different EAs with the other different pairs, and then I switched back to gold, which got me better results. Okay, so as you can see, mostly gold. So I think on this one I will continue with trading gold, and because I can't place many trades obviously, and it's more risky on the small accounts, and I just stick to one pair compared to the bigger account where I can use other pairs, and of course different lot sizes, money management. Okay, so just want to show you what my screen looks like usually, as you can see on gold once again, where, as you can see, this is my EA, and where I'm placing the orange levels, there are the my support resistance levels, like the usual thing, guys, as you see, the all usual. And just want to show you now my channel. So here's the Telegram channel. I find it easier to send screenshots through Telegram channel because I send them pretty much immediately. The moment I place the orders, I send it to you. And usually, guys, it will be pending orders. So if you, for example, decide to follow, you have time to place the orders too. So some of them could be immediate orders where you really need to be there. But some of them will be just pending orders where you just place them and then just wait for the result. For example, as you can see here, the one of the latest. So I just want to describe you a little bit more so you understand what is actually you find in the channel, Telegram channel. So as you can see, guys, again, orange levels, they are all my support resistance, and the blue levels too, and the proper orders are red and green, as you can see here, guys. So that, for example, I was looking at formation possible triangle or a pattern on gold, and this week, right? You see, I placed the red line is the sell stop, and the green line is the buy stop, where I have distances from one level and from the other level. So it's all goes with distances. Okay, so of course, if you use the same EA as I am, it would be easier for you because you can put your settings in it and then you just place the orders. If you do it manually, then of course it would be a little bit harder with the this trend level, because it doesn't give you exact number where the sell stop order is, because what it does, it waits for the market to sit and break that level, and can be at any area. When you have a horizontal, it's pretty much the price, but with this ones it's a little bit different. So I want to show you the screen. So usually you would have two pictures. One would be where the levels are, and another one would be this one, which I can't open fully, so you can see it like this. Okay, I just need a little bit to so here's the where it's describes what I have. So you see, like, initial loss size is 0.2, which is, again, guys, it's on a bigger on this big account, and then we see it shows closing 0.10 lots at 222 points. So that means half lot will close after it reaches 222 points, which is 22 pips, and another half it will be trailing. So as you can see here, guys, so I do have a stop loss. I'm using at this moment also a recovery system with the stop. So as you can see that we have take profit is 222, and it explains again that we're going to have close half positions, open additional positions. I have different settings for the EA, so but usually it will be just closing half and then just trail the rest. So you see I have moving to break even 111 points at 222. So after 222 it will move the stop into the break even with a little bit of the pips there. So, and then it will continue trailing 222 points with 111 steps. Okay, so 10 pips roughly, so 20 pips trailing stop and 10 pips the steps. It will be moving the trailing stop. And here you will find the recovery, which means if we hit the stop loss, it will open an opposite order, and then I have take profit, as you can see, 900, and another stop loss 800. So every time it will be moving, as you can see here, it will be closing a little bit of positions, like drop a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more, and trying to reach the take profit. You know, sometimes it might not reach take profit on a run, but we already had a little bit of losses covered. So that's what exactly it does. And here you can see the enter points and buy stop and sell stop, which, like I'm saying, guys, in here it shows you the number, for example, for the buy, but for the sell stop it will be changing, unfortunately. Yes, it's, if you're doing it manually, when you see these levels, it doesn't exactly mean at exactly that price which shows in the screenshot, because it will be changing a little bit as the market will be moving. Okay, so the price will be going a little bit high and high, and maybe, you know, break out from a bit different price. So yes, here is just a little bit of different. If you're following manually, you need to be really careful with this. This is not exact the number, okay, so only the horizontal numbers. And you can also see all the screenshots you see this week I have been sending, and you would see this well, it's not easy to navigate in Telegram channel, but I would just suggest, if you want to have a look, just go and check by yourself all my all old videos, the previous ones. And here is where do we have October? You see here is this week, October, we do have, right, yeah, so they will come with the results at the end of the day. So as you can see, I'm showing some results on the bigger account, on the smaller accounts, but probably will be sharing every day, and possibly just a week after the week of finishes. As you can see, that's again, it's not can't move it properly, but if you go there and you will see it by yourself. Okay, so I showed you these are the trades during the day. So I'm usually making just small notes of what happened, and well, that's pretty much it, guys, right? And also I want to show you on here the also results through FX Blue. So you can see that's the same account, so you would know it's the same account I'm showing you. And the stats, here's the stats where I can filter and show it to you. Here's from the 1st of January. It's again for this year. Let's do it up to date. And we do have a, so you can see that's the result is for this year. Okay, so you can, if you're interested in renting the EA, it's only very small, symbolic $20 still through Patreon you can join, and it's a subscription on the $20 a month, which I think is like very low price. You know, a lot of EAs like similar to this one or the other ones would be a lot of money, but I'm keeping the same price. It's not a lot. And even on a smaller account, you saw it was returned this week easily with the profit. And so this is the monthly. Like I'm saying again, guys, not fully out, okay? So you still would need to follow my screenshots. You can do like yourself, like I'm saying, to place your orders. It's very easy. Many people are trying and coming back again. And yes, it's a very good EA to trade semi-manually. And if you don't want to subscribe, you can just go on Fiverr and just rent it for 1 month, or also you can rent it for like 6 months or 1 year if you want. And but it's not like if you're just here for 1 month, you will not be paying every single month for it. Okay, so you can just try it for 1 month, which, like I'm saying again, $20 is a very little, very low money. But I'm charging for this because obviously it's not my EA. I still have the programmer who did it, and he has some maintenance. If there is any problem, he had to have a look at it, and you know, had to get paid. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you interested to continue and follow, like I'm saying, all the links you can find in the description under this video, so you can subscribe. The Telegram channel is completely free, and if you're interested in the EA as a tool perfect, and you can find all the links in the description, guys. So hopefully we will have a really good profitable trading months ahead of us. So hopefully everything will go well, and I wish you all happy trading, and I see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye everyone.